Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable palm swipe to screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, disabling palm swipe to screenshot on your device might be necessary if you find yourself accidentally triggering screenshots or if you prefer to use alternative methods for capturing your screen. It's all about personal preference and ensuring that your device functions in a way that suits your need best. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the settings on your device. Well, after that you have to scroll this page till you find Advanced Features and tap on it. Okay, next look for this option and select it. Well, so here simply turn this feature off to disable palm swipe to screenshot on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable palm swipe to screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.